Doggone it. It looks like someone went and got the time machine pickup out of the woods. That's an important relic for this place. Looks like the time machine pickup is not there anymore. Well, there you go, kids. Looks like that's gonna be to the junkyard. The time travel pickup was located in the woods about 50 meters kind of to the west, maybe southwest. I believe the time travel pickup has disappeared, so let's take a walk over there, and I think we will no longer see the pickup. Watch our feet closely, but we might likely see the removal site. I think I see it right up there in the clearing where it was scraped off. Well, over time, things do change. Yes, it is gone. And one can see the path through which it left these woods, kicking and screaming. Yes, the time travel pickup is no more. There are remnants. Let's take and put this one up in the tree. Let's do that. Let's put this maybe right there. We'll have a memory left over, won't we? Maybe. Yep, that's it. And there were some fox dens under here as well. This was actually a home for animals. There's an old air filter. And if one looks, one can see that it was dragged out of here, probably by four-wheelers, I'm guessing. See the pathway? Well, the time travel pickup has disappeared. And I don't guess that's much of a surprise, is it? In effect, quite fittingly, the time machine pickup will have disappeared. That adds to the aura and the drama.